Chat, what's good, man? Welcome back to the streams. How we doing? Happy Thursday. What's good? What's good? What's good? One sec. Let me change the server. Nice. All right, cool. So, chat, look, we are back. Let me lock this in. Wait. Perfect. What is popping? What's good, everyone? Louis, Scott, Kata, Malinko, JJ. Everyone's here, man. Come say hi, chat. What's popping? Gold is popping by the looks of things. Holy shit. Good Triz. Everyone's out here, eh? Good stuff. Well, listen, we are ripping right now, like absolutely ripping. We've just been moving up the whole session. Nothing I've taken today. Well, I haven't taken anything today in English. Fuck me. But yeah, chat, look. Hopefully you guys are all good. Hopefully you had a good day yesterday. I think it was actually a very nice trading day, but FOMC kind of ruined it, to be honest. I couldn't really take much. Now, that being said, right, the sun's out. Yeah, the sun is out a little bit. The sun is out, Ivy. So yeah, it's not. Oh shit, it's not too bad then. If the sun's out, that's all that really matters. But look, yeah, the weekly time frames flipped. The daily time frames obviously pushing up here. The weekly looks like we're gonna test all-time highs today, by the looks of it. If we don't, it doesn't really make much sense, to be honest. But yeah, with that being said, wait one sec, chat. Let me just turn this down. Fucking hell, it's a bit loud. All right, perfect. Yeah, so with that being said, if we don't test all-time highs, that seems weird to me. The 4 hour as well is pushing up. You have room on the 4 hour until 27.82, maybe even 27.75-ish. As well as that, yeah, 1 hour. Let's look at the ranges, right? On the 1 hour, we're tapping into our current range right now. If we close above here, if you close above this level at 27.72, you're going to see a continuation up until at least 27.75, right? If not even further. I would say potentially all the way up towards 27.82. So, chat, with that being said, basically all I'm looking for here now is... Actually, can we take it on the 15? We could have taken it on the 15. Yeah, I think this is your key level here, 27.71.7. Anything above there should take you up towards the top of the next range at 27.75. 30-minute did close here, but it closed and then you came up sort of top wick first. So that makes it a little bit difficult for me to take positions here. But yeah, on the 30-minute, let's say you have room until 77. This is not sells below, by the way. I'm not taking sells if you close below here. This is still buys above, and this is also buys above. I'm completely bullish on today's time frame. If we don't continue to push up after flipping on the weekly, then it doesn't make much sense to me. But look, we'll see what's going to happen. Chat, stay locked in. There's so much potential today, like a ridiculous amount of potential. But yeah, how's everyone doing? How was everyone's day yesterday? Did anyone catch anything during FOMC or before it? Got 45 pips on pre-London. Let's go, Louis. Good shit. Christy, Rosie, sorry, what's good? Good to be back. Morning classes. Hey, nice. Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let me zoom in. All right, perfect, chat. Listen, this is what we're looking at for today. It's just endless opportunity here. Got in buys 27.68. Nice as well. Super clean. Congrats, Jay. Yeah, you know who I really want to talk to? I don't think he's online yet, but Mr. Jar. Jar's just been murdering the game. Holy shit. Let me find this. I don't even know where he put it, but this guy's in 10 lot buys from like the bottom. Daily looking similar to that big push one? Yeah, it does, bro. There's a massive push up, no bottom wick here. I think we're going to see something similar. I can have a monthly runner, seriously. Literally, he already does, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, if I was him, I would have closed a long time ago. But he's stuck to his guns there, which I respect massively. I think he's, like, from what I saw of the position, the first position's up like 300 pips already. On a 5 lot. Which is crazy. Where did he send it, chat? I can't remember where he put it. Trading floor? I don't even know. Members chat. Oh, members chat, maybe. Yeah, holy fuck. This guy Jar decided to get in buys at 27.42. At 27.60. So the first buys are up 300 pips, the second buys are up 170. You love to see it. You love to see it. That's an absolute weapon of a trade. I'm not pocket watching, but like at least 20k right there. Big W's. 20 bands, I know. Have you guys seen that? Have you guys seen that Dutch guy who does the outfit checks? Bro, it reminds me of that guy. He goes like, I'm not even gonna do an impression, but yeah, 20 bands floating is crazy. Chat, look, so we do have a 5-minute closure here in about 1 minute and 20 seconds. After that, the 15-minute closure is in 6 minutes. We realistically should fill it up towards 27.77 here. I don't see why you wouldn't. But the most important thing is, can we actually get an entry here? I didn't get anything off this 30. Maybe the next 15-minute closure can give us something. Or if we can come and tap back into 27.71, that could be our entry too. For right now, yeah, I need to wait for a decent entry. I have a feeling it might just go without us, to be honest. But with that being said, the 1 hour looks good too. If the 1 hour can slightly pull back before the close, you should be able to take it all the way up towards like 27.82 as well. The 4 hour obviously is very, very bullish. Daily, past resistance. Weekly's got no resistance. If you look at the weekly on FXCM, look, it looks completely different. It looks so clean. Look at it. This is essentially what the weekly is like right now. Also, chat, we were looking at buys from that low of the week earlier. Down here. And wait, was it down here? Today. No, yeah, down here. Gold futures are already at an all-time high. Weird. Yeah, futures and spot has been off, like really off at the minute, you know, in terms of their correlation. Like price action on futures, if you go to like GC right now, look at the difference. It's really weird. There's such a massive difference in price action. And then you come back to spot and it's like, yeah, very, very strange. So it definitely does, you know, that definitely does bring you back to the point of whatever broker you trade on, you should use that as your chart because they can be extremely different. I know I saw yesterday that futures chart had like basically respected support and the spot or the Forex chart closed below and then ripped down. So it was like a completely different price action. Completely different. By the way, just an early one for you guys who are looking for a new broker. I do have an existing promotion going on with Raise FX. Only lasts for this week. So it's closing on Friday, but if you do want a 50% deposit bonus, you can get it there. Also, chat, by the way, my podcast came out yesterday with Bright Funded. It came out yesterday. So if you guys want to watch that, go check it out. It's actually pretty sick. 5-minute bottom wick. Yeah, I can't enter just off a 5 bottom wick. I'm going to wait for this 15 closure. I want to see how it closes here. Because it's also going to be, yeah, a big confluence. If this 15 can close and we get a bottom wick, then great. But the fact that it's like rejecting here is a bit of a concern for me. Good KB, how's it going, brother? I think we need some form of structure being made, to be honest. If you have like a run up like this, we've made literally zero structure. The likelihood is that you come down and then start to make some structure before actually pushing back up. Hey, what's good, everyone? What's good, Harshit? Joel, what's good? Chat, drop a like as well on the stream if you haven't already. I really do appreciate it. We can come down and tap into like sort of this area here, 2770, based off of these previous wicks, chat. We can tap into around there, 2770.6. We can take some buys to continue back up. That's a super clean entry, to be honest. I'd much rather it be after an hourly close, but it doesn't necessarily have to be. Not much structure as well. Need some more structure here. Let me open my broker though, chat, because I think we've got constant potential positions here, truthfully. I think there's a lot of opportunity for us to get positions. So, yeah, let's stay locked in, stay focused. Liquidity, yeah, I think, to be honest, the market's giving itself liquidity. When you have pushes like this, it's obviously fundamentals driving it. Yeah, I have to pay a deposit today on my opportunity. Wait, did I say on my opportunity? What was I reading that? On my apartment. What did I read? Did I read Ben's message? I can't remember. So we need to get some pips to offset that is what I'm trying to say. Might grab liquidity and drop. I don't know, bro. I'm not trying to call the top here. Everything looks bullish. Literally everything looks bullish. Can't take sales for a long time. Your hair care routine? My hair care routine is not really existent. I just wash my hair every day. That's it. I know you shouldn't actually wash your hair every day, but there you go. Chat, look, a minute here to this 15-minute close. Lock it in, focus up. Let's try and get to 50 likes already on the stream. You guys are killing the support. Much love, much appreciation for that. It really does help out. Let me just do this. All right, better. Yeah, it really does help out, man. I really appreciate it. What's good, Jordy? How's it going, brother? Yeah. How's this 15 going to close? If it closes no bottom wick, we can attempt an entry. No bottom wick right at the level would be hilarious, chat. You got a minute left, so focus up. That give you stops of like 20 pips as well. Below this structure. But it looks like we might continue a little bit further down. Which is not a problem, right? If the 15 can make some structure, that's quite good. And then the hourly close should come in and give you that entry. At least you'd hope so, right? Let's see, chat. How are we going to close here? How are we going to close? Rejecting off the level? Yeah, we are a little bit. 1 minute started to reject. Interesting, chat. Interesting times. Might want to see more price action before choosing to enter again. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, to be fair. There's not much structure, but with that being said, oh no, the 1 minute's closing bearish. Got nothing I can do off this closure, to be honest. 15 did close bearish, which is the first bearish candle we've had in, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. So that is interesting, chat. Remember, we do need an hourly closure now above this level. It could start to reject here at any given point. Bear in mind the previous hourly did close below support, below resistance. I'm not saying it will, but it could. Possibly could. I wonder if jar closed out yet. Let's ask him. Nice. Alright, but look, the 15-minute came down bottom wick first. It could be grabbing some liquidity here. If it does do that and form some nice bullish closures on this 5-minute, we can look to take some buys up. As long as we have some decent structure, chat, that's all we need. I need some price action, some structure. Otherwise, yeah, if you're just pushing straight up like this, it's very difficult to take continuations. But look, there's so much opportunity today, like a ridiculous amount. I think with everything happening, we could see gold all-time highs. FOMC was yesterday bullish for gold. You got essentially the weekly flipping after grabbing all this liquidity. That so much could happen today. Literally so much. So stay focused, stay locked in. It's the first bearish candle in a while because I tried to enter a quick buy, not even kidding. Bro, it's always how it works, right? Always how it works. Wait, when can I book? I need a haircut today, I can't lie. Yeah, let's do that. Wait, should I do that? I get a haircut before or after I work out, chat? What's weird? Nah, before, right? Gotta be before. I go sit in the chair with sweaty hair. That's super mean to the barber. If we break all-time high today or tomorrow, we'll see a monthly candle closing without top wick. Potentially. After? Yeah, after's probably better, but I feel bad for the guy, to be honest. But chat, look at this 15-minute now. If we close bullish like this on the 5-minute, chat, we can look to take some buys to continue up here. I'd actually be very happy taking that position, to be honest. Your advantage point is the re-break of those highs. 4 and go gym looking fresh. Yeah. How much does your haircut cost? Mine's gone up to 28 hair and beard. Mine's 25 just hair, I think. Or 20 just hair. Can't remember. As you can see, I don't have a beard, so... Chat, that's one thing I'm actually super concerned about moving to Greece, right? How the fuck am I going to find a decent barber out there that knows how to cut British hair and isn't just going to give me a shit trim? I can't risk it, chat. I might have to fly home for trims. Setup tour. How about this? I'll give you a setup tour in a month when I move to my new apartment. Balkan trim incoming or Russian trim? Russian trim would be crazy, bro. Just like a bowl around it or something. Hire me as your barber, bro. I got you. Come fly out. Full-time barber. 15-minute? Yeah, the 15-minute looks great, to be honest. Send him 3 years to Dagestan and forget. Trust me, I'll be doing that to my son. How long are you planning on staying in Greece? For at least like probably 3 years. I don't know. We'll see how it goes though. Minimum a year. All right, chat. Look, this 5 minute could be closing bullish here. I'd be tempted to take a little entry here based off of that. Stops are decent below this low as well. 15 minute close respecting. Let's see. 5 has to leave a top wick though. Got 30 seconds to this 5 minute closure, chat. I think that's your break and retest right now, and I think you see a continuation up after this, to be honest. Would like a bottom wick on the opening of this 5, to be honest, but yeah, if it doesn't form it, then it doesn't form it, right? Let's see. 8 seconds to the close. We pop straight up, chat. I think this might be gone. Yeah, this might be gone, chat. We'll see. We'll see what it does here. But it did pop straight up off that 5 minute candle. You're giving me the hunger to outperform this year, to be able to travel as well. Hey, good stuff, Louis. I appreciate that, man. That means a lot. I'm glad to be able to motivate you guys. You know, anything's possible if you put your mind to it. I think I'm living proof of that, right? A year ago, I was working in a 9-to-5 job in a law firm. And now I'm moving to my dream apartment in Cyprus, right? Dream villa. So, yeah, I can't complain. Yeah, I knew we'd rip up here, though. Look at that. That's crazy. How much are we up here from that candle? Only 5 pips, but still. Yeah, it's going to come down to the hourly close most likely now. You got 9 minutes here. If the hourly closes above, then great. To be honest, you might see it rip straight up. So we'll definitely watch what the hourly does. Might be off the rip. Do you trade during the day off camera? Yeah, I do. But it's all sent in my signals like automatically. But yeah, I do trade off camera. Ripping up. Yeah, that was a pretty nice entry, to be honest. Let's see, though. Hopefully it can stick around a little bit before that hourly close and doesn't just rip straight through. If we do close bullish above on the hourly, it might be off the rip for us, to be honest. I expect you to at least tap into 75.3. That gives you around like a 23 pip advantage point. Yeah, it's ripping. Let's see, chat. So much potential here. No FOMO as well. When you see it running like this, you can't get FOMO. You just can't do it. Like, it's very, very tough, but you have to sometimes just let it run, you know? You can't be having FOMO in these opportunities. If you do that, those are going to be the times that you get wrecked, right? Someone said earlier they tried to take a quick sneaky buy and it rejected on them. And yeah. Oh, is that sparkling water you're always having? Yeah, always sparkling water, to be honest, mate. Like, yeah. Oh, chat, we're ripping. That 5 minute buy was nice. Needed a little bottom wick, that was it. A little one, chat. That's all I was looking for, was a little bottom wick. Let's see what we do, chat. Question is as well, like, if it starts to fill this range, it gets very, very difficult. Or not the question, but the thing is if it starts to fill the range, it gets very difficult for us to trade here. What do you think it'll tap into? 77 potentially. Yeah, I mean, every time we've closed in this range, we've tapped into 77, right? But you're filling up the range very quickly. The advantage point was probably 27.75. 82 is not a bad target. I think 77 is a conservative target. That's also Xauusd TP as well, which is fucking nuts. All the way from down here. What's that? Down here? Yeah, like here. Insane. That 5 no bottom wick absolutely just killed us here. I knew it as well, but it's not in the strategy chat, so I can't take it. I literally knew it. What did I say? I think we're going to rip straight up. Sometimes in life, eh? Sometimes in life. Yeah, let's see what this next 5 opening does. You can come down and tap into 73 on a 5-minute bottom wick. We might look at a wick entry off of this market structure here. I don't think you can go anywhere else now apart from 77, to be honest. Otherwise, obviously, I'm going to have to wait for the hourly. What's good, Crypto Maniac? How's it going, brother? Chat, stay focused up here. Stay locked in. You might get a retest of this level here, which is what I'm looking at in terms of like a 5-minute wick entry if you were to get it. No, gone. Yeah, I think it's gonna pop straight through here, chat. No FOMO, chat. If you're not already in, no FOMO, right? There's nothing I can do here. I have to wait for an hourly closure now. Busting it up, man. Yeah, calm. It's insane, bro. It's about to fill the range too, chat. There you go. Now I just wanted to hit Xauusd TP, to be honest. Yo. Oh, shit. Look at some mountains. Look at this shit, chat. Guy had a TP at 77. All the way down from 42. That's ridiculous. It just came like a pip away as well. Mental position from Jar there. Chat, why is my level here on the hourly? It should be here. We now can close above here, chat. Above 77. Above, sorry, 75.2. Realistically, you've got nowhere else to go apart from up. But chat, like, look, we're rejecting here on the 5-minute. You gotta be careful. Have you got a position open? No, I'm in nothing here. I'm in nothing, to be honest. How to get the entry arrows on MT5? Are you on mobile or on PC? You wanna, whoa. How did that change fucking sides? Insane. Mobile, go to settings and then it's like position history, something like that. Trade history. By the way, that 20k challenge is still running that I'm doing. I've sort of kept it in the background for a little bit. I'm still going to try and run that up to 40k. But just taking it slowly. How do you know when to get into an entry? Because my strategy is going to tell me, right? There's a lot of confluences. But chat, look. Sorry, right now we have 2 minutes here to the hourly close. If you do close above on this hourly candle, I mean, what are stops here? Fuck. Stops are rather large, chat. Even if we use 5-minute structure, stops are large. If we can come down and grab a bottom wick after closing above here, sorry, we'll look at some entries, chat, to continue up towards 2782. Realistically, if you close above 75.6 here, or 75.5, sorry, there's nowhere else for you to go other than towards the top of this range. Like, you've just got clean traffic all the way through. If not, you're at least going to tap into where these wicks are projected. So that'll give you like at least like 20, 30 pips of room as well. I'm looking on the 30-minute, you probably have some levels. But again, if we close on the 1 hour, I'm not too concerned about it. Especially since the weekly, look at it right now. You flipped, you grab so much liquidity. You have a weekly wick fill up towards 85 as well. Yeah, man. So yeah, Joel, to answer your question, right, we have a setup, we have an entry. So again, once you join the the group like you said you're going to do yesterday, it will tell you essentially my entire strategy. But for right now, I'll tell you that we have setups and we have entry types, right? So the setup is the candle before price closes. So for example, like, or the candle before the trade. So when this hourly candle closes above, that's going to be a breakout. And then we're going to try and get in on one of the entry types, which is either going to be like a wick entry, fake out, breakout, any of those sort of things. That makes sense? But this is essentially how the strategy works. Yeah, let's get to 50 likes before this hourly closure here. We've got 40 seconds to get to 50 likes. I know you guys can do it. I appreciate it a lot. We're about to be potentially entered into a trade here, so lock in, focus up. We've got 30 seconds. If we can just make a bottom wick on this closure, should be good to go, chat. As you open up, I just need a bottom wick. It doesn't need to be massive. I just need a bottom wick, and then we should be good. Especially, or I mean, it has to be above this area here as well, but as long as you can do that, then great. Chat. What are we going to see here? I'm going to take a buy right now. Got buys here. Got buys here. I don't think there's anywhere for price to go above, other than to continue to fill this range. We have a strong level at 2775.5, which we've now closed above. Right, if price wants to grab some liquidity, it can. Stops are going to be below that 30-minute structure down here. That gives you around 50 pip stops, which is not too bad. If price closes back inside, we'll look at essentially managing, but I do believe we should fill towards the top of the range here. Not a problem, we're coming down for a wick as well. The wick is not an issue here. We're grabbing liquidity. As long as this candle flips here, you're good to go. Once it does flip, you're great. We can even trail the stops potentially. Could have looked at a wick entry maybe, but to be honest, I had a feeling we were going to pop straight through. So let's see, chat. Let's see what happens here. Once you flip, you should be good. Should fill up towards at least 2777. Coming up towards the flip here, chat. Stop loss is 2771 and TP 2778. Stop loss is 2771, TP is 2782. The green one here. Let's see, chat. Can we flip on this candle here? Just want to see a nice clean flip and drive. Do you share your lot size? No. I shared it on the 20k challenge account that I did. It was like a 6 lot. Milli lot. That was good, Tom. Obviously, I'll also manage off closures too, right? Good morning, Leonidas. How's it going, man? Let's see. We should realistically flip here. I don't see why we drive straight down without grabbing any liquidity as well. Like, you'd want to see a top wick first before driving straight back down. Closed above as well. This is fine. It's not concerning me here, chat, to be honest. Also, drop a like if you haven't already. I do massively appreciate it. Means a lot. Let's see, 5-minute closing shortly here. 5-minute broke the previous 5 low, which is good. Could be an area of rejection. So let's see. Might retest 73, yeah. Maybe. Looking at structure here, chat. Volume's died off a little bit, which we need to see a bit of an increase, to be honest. An increase in volume would be great here. This 1 minute can close back bullish above the level as well. That's going to be ideal. Guess not. Yep, stops. Yeah, Mark. They're right here. Stops are always where it's shown, right? I always put the stops exactly where it's, like, where my actual stops are. A lot of room to the upside though, chat. Right now, the trade's still completely valid. So until the trade is not valid, right? You know, we're not going to see... Wait, what happened just there? Did the 5 close no bottom wick? Kind of. Not exactly. I was looking at taking a second position there, chat, off that 5 no bottom wick, but it wasn't exactly a no bottom wick, so I can't take it. Unfortunately. Wick entry. I can't take a second position here, to be honest. I don't want to be over risked. It's not a bad idea to take a wick entry here, chat. I just don't want to take a second position. That would make me over risked, and I don't want to do that. There is gold. I'm assuming they're the same. Yeah, they are, bro. They're the same. Just some people call it different things. Some like brokers, sorry, call it different things. 5 flip. Yeah, that 5 flip was nice, to be honest. Again, like I said, chat, I just can't over risk myself. I don't want to be in on a position where it's making me... I don't want to stack positions if it's going to make me over risk, and that would make me over risk, so I don't want to do that personally. Are you in or a buy stop? No, I'm in. We're in a little bit of drawdown right now, about 15 pips of drawdown. Don't you take more than one trade at the same time? I've got a habit of opening multiple positions. Nah, I don't do that, bro. I don't think it's good for anything, to be honest. In the gym, had also buys now. Nice, bro. In the same area, or did you get a wick entry? A lot of you might have got a better entry than me, which is good. We didn't get the best entry here. Like, I'll be the first to admit that. Good bench. Morning, bro. Yeah, I want to see this 5 push up nicely here. Wick entry, 5 no bottom wick, took a buy. Yeah, nice. Not bad. If it had no bottom wick, I might have taken it, but yeah, I can't take that, unfortunately. Still had a tiny bottom wick for me, but here you go, chat. This 5's pushing up. It's been valid the whole time, right? What we'll do as well, chat, if we flip here, or hopefully when we flip, I'll trail my stops to the current candle low down here, just to manage a bit of risk, right? I want to see a strong push up here though, chat, and it doesn't look like we're seeing it right now. You might need to come down a little bit further to retest some levels. Remember though, stay emotionless, right? The trade's still valid until it isn't, right? Until you get like a 30-minute closure back below the level or something like that, the trade's still valid, so. XAUUSD? Yeah, indeed. It's XAUUSD. Gold. We trade gold here. Only gold as well. Chat, listen, if you are new, we do this every single day for London session. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm using AvaTrade, so they must use gold. Ah, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, I think so. 27.75 is a 4-hour resistance. Yeah, it's a minor resistance. We looked at the closure above on the 1 hour, right? That was the thing we were mostly looking at here. We closed above 27.75. But yeah, you are right. Stops on the bot. Hey, Bez, you're a bot, bro. Yeah, what is a bot? I keep seeing that on Instagram. It's like an OF person, no? Yeah, 40 seconds here till the closure. So I need a 5 bullish closure here. Once you get that, you should be good to go. What does this give us? Someone help me pick my tea. Options are peppermint, Earl Grey, lemon and ginger, or chamomile. Lemon and ginger. Yeah, 5 flipped in the last 20 seconds here. That's not ideal. Not really what we wanted to see, to be honest. I did expect a straight push through, which is why we got in off the rip, right? But by the looks of it now, it's struggling to do that. 5 did close bullish though, which is good for us. Did confirm a bullish closure there in the last couple of seconds. We do have a 15-minute close as well in about 5 minutes here, chat, so stay focused. Remember, the 5-minute did also close below though, so you can't get too excited here. Should at least come back up to re-break the highs before you were going to rip down, if you were going to rip down, right? Now you see the 5-minute flipping up here, breaking the previous 5 high. Once it breaks that previous 5 high, that's technically a sky dweller play there. You should be good to continue up after it does that, but again, it's struggling off this level. I need to see an increase in volume here. The volume is what's going to push us through if we are going to push through, right? But the fact we're making structure is great. If you can now come back up and close above, we can safely use our stops to here, but just not quite yet. I need the closure first. Need that closure first, to be honest, before I can do any of that. Volume's gone after that drive up. Yeah, it has a little bit. It's unfortunate. That would be fair enough, done. Let's see, chat. It's a battle between, you know, the bullish pressure and this level here at 27.75 right now. It's making a big battle here. As you can see, the 1 minute starting to range. We just need it to come out to the top side of that range. We should be good here. Again, chat, trade's still valid, right? 1 hour closed above. Until it's like a 30-minute closure below, chat, I'm not going to manage because I think the trade's still valid, like I said. Look at the 1 hour, like, it's just a pure closure above. Plain and simple, right? This could just be a bottom wick. The 15-minute closes no bottom wick. We can take a look at a trend play entry. And then we'll have to trail stops, right? But if it doesn't do that, then yeah, we'll see. Why did you market execute and not buy stop on the flip? I'm new here, so just trying to understand your thinking. To be honest, I would normally have taken a buy stop, but I looked at previous candles and they just made a small bottom wick before ripping up. So I presumed we'd do something similar on the 1 hour here. Like you see, we had this, and this. My presumption was that we'd do something similar, and by the looks of it, obviously we aren't going to do that, which is fine. But I mean, it's still valid in terms of the strategy. I saw a closure above, and there was room until 78, so that was my thinking here, to be honest. Okay, nice rejections here, which is good. That's what we want to see, chat, right? We want to see big, clean rejections. Just a wick to the minute 15 demand, 71. We'll see. I don't mind it testing 71 as long as it rejects off of it, right? That's all I care about. This 5 can flip though, chat. You should be good. We're going to fly. I think we're making structure here for a push back up, right? Chat, you have to remember market structure, right? We're pushing upwards here, making higher highs and higher lows as we go. This could very well just be that higher low being made for a continuation up like this. Yeah, 5 minute just flipped here. Abbas, what's good, bro? How you doing, man? 5 minute needs to flip and confirm a nice bullish closure, though. It can't just be, yeah, weak closures here. I like your confidence. It's not necessarily confidence or lack of confidence. It's just the fact that my strategy tells me everything's going to be good here. And it also, I'm reading price action right now and seeing everything's still bullish. So it's not really about confidence or not. It's about whether I trust my strategy, which I obviously do. Yeah, that's about it. Accidentally opened a 0.5 lot instead of a 0.5, bro. Be careful with that. Potentially manage that if you can. You want to be careful when you do that. Yeah, 5 no top wick might be an issue here. Accidentally opened a 50 lot instead of a 5 lot. Oh no! I mean, it'll be good, G. I know you didn't actually do that. That 5 closed with a wick. It's also the 15 close, right? Didn't close respecting actually, but it didn't also close like that weak where I'm concerned about it. 30 minute and 1 hour coming up towards a flip now, chat. Like I said, when we flip, I'll trail my stops to this low here, which will make your stops go from 50 pips to like 29. It's obviously 10 times better, but that's only when the hourly flips. Have to manage risk, right? Current 15 minutes got no bottom wick either, but as we did see with the 5 earlier, you know, you can just push straight through without a wick. It's not an issue. Let's see, chat. Let's see what happens here. I want to see a push straight through now. Now that you've grabbed the liquidity, you really need to see a push. Like a strong push too. Did the hourly flip? It didn't quite, did it? No, it didn't quite. Nearly. But not quite. I'm going to keep my eye on that because once that flips, I'll be trailing my stops up towards here, to be honest. Going to give you like, yeah, 27 pip stops or something like that. Stinks of a TP. Crazy. We need to see some confirmation here. This 15 no bottom wick's freaking me out a little bit, to be honest. Not freaking me out. Don't get me wrong. I'm chilling here, but it's just, yeah, not the nicest. I would have liked to see a push just straight through on that little push up here. What number are you thinking of trailing your stop loss to? Below the low that it made here. So whatever this low is here, 2773.3, somewhere around there. That's where I would trail to most likely. 4 hour close coming up. I mean, yeah, in 45 minutes, right? It's not too close. Not something to be concerned about right now. Might start pulling back for the 4 hour, or it will push straight through, right? Ended up with $30 profit. Nice, bro. I didn't flip here. Did not flip here. Sometimes that no bottom wick doesn't matter, but it's never ideal. Still got my buy stop. Yeah, bro, that's the thing. Like, sometimes it just pushes straight through, but yeah, like in this case, it didn't. It needed to come back down. I really want to see this low being respected now, chat, to be honest. Is copying signals class as gambling if you have no idea about the charts? It depends if you trust your mentor, right? If you trust that your mentor's not gambling, then I guess no, but if it's not advised, you should probably know about what you're trading as well. At least a little bit. I'd say as long as you're trying to learn the strategy too, it's not that big of an issue. Chat, look, 100 of you in here right now. Let's try and get to 75 likes on the stream. Much appreciated. Much appreciated here, chat. For me, the 1 hour still closed above, right? Which is why I'm still so confident on this trade, because the 1 hour is obviously what's going to take over mostly. 30-minute close is in about 10 minutes here. So we'll see what that does. You look like you're going to come down and re-break this low again, which is interesting. I wouldn't have expected you to need to do that, to be honest. I would have thought this was our push straight through. Let's see how we react here, chat, at these lows. We can respect them, that's even better, right? And then you've sort of respected them, retest the highs again, you'll push straight through. But until you actually make some clean confirmation, like I said, that's why we needed the 5 closures up here. Makes it a little bit more difficult now. I'm going to wait for this 30-minute close most likely before I manage. 4-hour close looks still very nice. Yeah, it's just whether we're still in by the 4-hour close. That's the concern, right? Coming down to re-break these lows, chat. You did re-break the lows. Time to push back through here. 5 minutes still has no wick on the top wick here. I'm going to take another buy here as we tap into 71 right now. They've just got in a second position here as we tap into this level. The reason I'm doing that is firstly, stops on it are going to be very, very short, right? Stops are literally going to be 12 pips or something below this 30-minute low. We might just drive straight through. If we do, then fine, is what it is. We're also tapping into a strong level here. We can start to push back up and retrace through. And we can potentially either exit our position out at break even, or we can look to obviously hold through towards TP. But this 1 minute did come down and tap into the level. Close no bottom wick as well. I want to see a strong reaction here. Let's see, chat. Can we push through? As in push upwards, not downwards. Otherwise, chat, look, if we hit stops, we hit stops. It is what it is. Unfortunately, it might be one of those days. We haven't taken a loss in a long, long time, chat. So I'm not too worried about if we do. Literally not too worried. Sometimes you have to take losses in the market. But I'm not saying we have taken one yet. Let's see. Starting to reject here, which is nice. This 5 minute could flip. That'd be really, really great. It'd be sitting nice and pretty if it did. One minute close bullish. Need to see the next one push up, right? Doesn't really matter too much if the 1 minute's closing bullish, if the rest isn't. Would have expected a stronger reaction. Stop should be pretty safe as well below this structure here. If you were going to push down, you're probably going to push down further if you go through here. As well as that, like, I can't really manage risk anywhere else. I don't want to put too much risk on the table. Had my second entry when it hit that 5 minute support. Got out with some profits. Hey, nice, man. Nice. Good stuff. You got out with profits, then congrats. This will be the first loss in a while if we take a loss here. In a long, long time. I want to see if we can come back up and tap into like... Oh wait, did the 5 just close? No, it was a 1 minute closure. 1 minute close, bearish chat, not ideal. Let me just work this out. 20. You still have TRLS merch? It's coming out, man. I'm wearing it right now, but we had a real big problem with the manufacturers, and then with me moving and everything, it's been sort of delayed. Yeah, hopefully we can get it back on track. I'm going to try and work on that when I move over. What's average B? I think it's around... Wait, I just looked at that. It's like 74.3. It's like here, to be honest. Oh no, 74 flat probably. I don't know if I'm going to manage off of that though. 5 minute close bearish chat. Not the best. I'll be truly honest, not the best. I saw you are wearing it and I would love to have one in like that in black with white text. Yeah, bro, I'll take a look at what we're making, to be honest. Need to stack more. I know, yeah, I need to get 18 positions before we're going to get back in profit. This is where you need to see some rejections, chat. If you don't reject here, you're just going to push straight through and that's going to be game over for us. But this still could be a 1 hour bottom wick. I'm not saying it is. Obviously, the likelihood of it being that is getting smaller and smaller by the second. Had a higher time frame closure, right? I want to see exactly how the 30 closes. But again, if we can start to struggle at this level, it is a very strong level in the past. I'm just concerned that in the past you've wicked down before pushing back up. So we'll see. Remember, chat, though, if we take one loss here, it doesn't mean too much for anything. You know, the month will still be in profit. The year's obviously still going to be a massive profit. And it's not going to take too long for us to recover that loss. I know you shouldn't be thinking in recovering losses. But at the end of the day, I think a lot of people still do. With the fact of, you know, the fact that we increased our risk to reward recently, it's not going to be too much of an issue for us. Like 2-3 trades. Oh, but chat, that's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. You want to see that 5 do that, but then actually reject and close like that. That would be perfect. If we can make a nice closure here, that'd be great. Let's see what we can do here, chat. 5, pushing back up. 15, 30. How long does 5 closes here? About 2 minutes. Let's see what we do here, chat. A good rejection. And chat, I'm going to close all my positions here at 1 pip in profit on average. Yeah, I want to get out of that trade. Closed 1 pip average. Wait, I can actually show you guys. Oh no, maybe minus 1 pip. BE, we'll just call it BE. Fuck it. Chat, break even trade there. Good management from the boys. Congratulations. This might fly. If it flies, then fuck it. Who cares? But for me, I'm not going to lie to you. I was a little bit over risked on that position. Obviously, with the second position there, it put us in a little bit of an over risk situation. So all you got to do is just get out of that position, to be honest, chat. Just get the fuck out. And that's what we did. Chat, congratulations if you caught the same. If you managed like us, then congrats. You have to protect your capital at the end of the day. Actually, when I closed, I saw... Wait, let me just check here. Okay, yeah. So, I mean, with... Let me just check. Yeah, let me show you guys. Look, so we actually did right there close... Wait. Can it focus? Why isn't it focusing, chat? There you go. See? You entered at the top. You defo took a loss. That is definitely not BE for you. Hey, what do you want me to show you? I just showed you again. Break even. In fact, came out a little bit in profit. You want to see again? There you go. I'll show you again just so you're so salty. Look at that. Also, look at the lot sizes I'm popping. That's a live account. You're hating on the chart. You are definitely not popping lot sizes like this. So shush. Just shush your little mouth. Chat, it's pushing up now. Don't get me wrong, it's pushing straight through. But again, I think it's a smart decision to manage there. I hate him with one of these. Oh, I love it, man. We love a little bit of a hater. Taxi for AA. Get him in a taxi. Chat, 5 no top wick. Look, we're going to take these off. I didn't hear you took a second entry. Nah, you're good, bro. Don't worry. We're just playing about. Why are you hating? I'm not hating, bro. I don't need to hate on anyone. I'm good. I'm good. But chat, listen, drop a like if you didn't already. Appreciate all of you very, very much. I'm just saying off your screen, it's a loss. I just showed you my screen. But yeah, look. Oh, wow. We are pushing straight through. Chat, that was great management. Actually, really good management. I don't care if it came in profit now. Absolutely class management. Holy shit. This is going to rip to all-time highs, most likely. But yeah, chat, look, I have to manage here. I just have to, to be honest. I'm happy with that. I'm very proud of the way we managed that, chat. Congratulations if you didn't already. Congratulations. Look, we came very, very close to stops there. We were like, what? We were literally 7 pips away from stops. And yeah. That's the question, no hate. Yeah, Blandy, you're good, bro. Fire away. I think all-time high after unemployment claims, bottom wick, potentially. I mean, we could have got out of profit, to be honest, but not a big deal. Your stops was where it was invalid, so why did you continue the idea? For me, the stops weren't invalid, bro. My stops were below this low here, right? And that's the structure. That's the low that we made. Right? So until we break this low, structure's valid. Still valid now. Continue out. And then we re-entered off this level because I saw a rejection area. So yeah, Blandy, for me personally, I maybe you see it as invalid, but personally for me, I think the stops were completely valid below there, especially because the 1 hour closed above, right? The trade is still valid. Like I would still be you know, okay being in this if I wasn't potentially a little bit over risked and price wasn't doing what it was doing, right? Once you start to make some weird closures, that's when I saw, okay, you know what? You know, we'll probably need to manage here. And that's why I managed exactly where I did. But for me, the stops were valid. That's what I mean, bro. So your stops was perfect. Oh, your stops were perfect. Oh, why didn't... Sorry, bro. My bad. I completely read your question. Read your question wrong. Why didn't you continue the idea? Do you think you closed because you sized in? To be honest, I've always been a proponent to say when you're coming close to, you know, stops and you're close to, you know, losing the trade and then you come back to break even. For me, psychologically, it makes a lot more sense to just get out the trade because it seems for me personally, it seems greedy if I want to continue that trade. It's almost like tempting fate. That might just be a weird, like, not superstitious, but psychological thing. But I'm very happy in protecting my capital in that way. And yeah, like, we could have continued up. And if, to be honest, the 5-minute closure would have closed a little bit earlier, then I might have stayed in. But for me, that also could have been like just a wick straight up before continuing down. So yeah, I mean, look, both are probably correct. Maybe if I had bigger balls, I would have held that. But yeah, no, we're good. I made double what I lost in the first trade. Huge W. Hey, congratulations, Jed. High life, what's good, man? What's good? Show balls. Insane. Insane. Yeah, and I was looking at the 1-minute structure too, and it was concerning me a little bit. Especially with how strongly we'd push down. Especially with that. But chat, look. The main thing to think about here... Oh, the 30-minute close respecting. Wow. Wow. But chat, the main thing to think about is you guys just sat through that trade. You know, there was no hate, no bad, no like saying L's or anything, right? You managed well, you kept your psychology in check, so you should be proud of yourselves more than anything, right? You know, you see me do this day in, day out, but once you're actually in that position and during that drawdown, especially if it's not your trade, if it's my trade, it's very difficult to manage your emotions. But all of you guys did that super well. So I would be thinking to myself right now, if I was you, that I'd be super proud. You know, you managed exactly well. And yeah, just give yourself some congratulations for that. Because at the end of the day, that's the whole reason we're here as traders, is to try and get you guys profitable, try and get you guys, you know, moving forward and developing your psychology. And you did that super well. So congrats. Congrats, congrats, congrats. But chat, let me write this down. Trades taken. Gold buys. Wait. Gold buys. DE. I actually came out 1 pip profit, but I'm not going to put it as a win. That'd be ridiculous. And then we'll add another BE trade there. So 21 break even trades right now. Cat in the Hat. Cat in the Hat is a great book, great series, etc. That's why you managed chat. Yeah, true. It's come back down now. Below where we managed. But it did come up quite a lot, actually. It came up like 15 pips higher than where I closed. You probably would have been like 30 pips better off, but it is what it is, man. Don't you trade Forex? I do trade Forex, yeah. I do. But chat, we're only like... By the way, chat, don't dip off. I'm not done yet. We're only like an hour into the stream as well. It feels like it's been fucking 3 hours on stream. It's like it's been like 3 hours, trust me. 4-hour closure shortly. Yeah, we'll wait for the 4-hour close, actually. That's not a bad idea. How's the car, by the way? You love it? Yeah, car's fire, bro. $70 loss on that trade. No worries. I'm happy. Yeah, all good, man. So, it's part of the game. It's part of the game. You know what? I actually have an account on a copy trader where I leave TPs. Like, it only closes when it hits TP or break even. And, came out in a decent bit of profit on that one just now. But that's just like a little side account that I'm just testing. See if I can join the NY stream. Good job, I'm getting better every day. Good stuff, Danny. I appreciate it, man. I'm glad you're getting better, man. That means a lot. It means a lot. That was a squeaky bum time trade, though. Holy shit, chat. Squeaky bum time. Honestly. Bit of a crazy one, but there you go. That's the biggest stops we've had in a while, too. I was thinking to myself, like, it had to be on the trade where we had the biggest stops for a long time that we came down and nearly hit them. Maybe that shows me something, right? Got some Medigrade THC oil today. Can hardly keep my eyes open. Tom, I thought you stopped smoking. I was late to the party. Were you targeting 82 for TP? Yeah, I was, yeah. Tried to emoji the question. What do you mean you tried to... Wait, did you put... TP, yeah. That's funny as fuck. TP question mark. TP like and a guy shrugging. I like it. That's funny as fuck. Yeah, so look, 21.9, 21.2. So it says here we came out in 0.7 pip loss. Which is obviously a break even, right? Oral oil, no smoke. Yeah, I get that, but is that not the same premise? Like, I presume you were trying to quit smoking for the effects of the weed, not the actual like ingestion mechanism. Can't deal with over 35 pips. Yeah, trust me. Realistically, that's why we've been having such small stops recently. Is like I was saying this yesterday. The biggest stops I've had for a while is like 31 pips. Biggest loss we've taken this year is 31 pips as well. Yeah, also, how funny is this? We're just the lung health. Oh, your lungs are fine, bro. Don't stress about the lungs. Just run and you'll be fine. How funny is this? When we have a drawdown stream right now, that's when we get the highest viewer count of the year. Of course, right? Of course. We sit in drawdown for a while. Everyone wants to come watch. That is what it is. It is what it is. They like to see him full, right? I'm joking. Yeah, so we do have a 4-hour close in 20 minutes. That's a teasing me. Yeah, Tom, realistically, just start smoking again. That's financial advice from me. I'm playing. PRB, you need Balkan breakfast. 6. Balkan breakfast truly is a coffee and a cigarette. Spiraling is for goats, to be fair. Spiraling upwards. Trying to have the whole year off? Yeah, no, Tom, makes sense, bro. Good shit. 2026, it's on. Chat, the 30 close respecting as well. I do think we continue to push through here. Keep puffing, I won't stop, though. I don't think there's anything wrong with a good cigarette now and then. I mean, no. Can't wait for the pre-early streams when you'll be in Greece. I know, I can't wait for that, man. I actually cannot wait. KB turns up right after the storm as well. A little calm after the storm, KB's there. But fucking hell, we were in the trenches for a while there. We're in the trenches. I need to get that clipped up, actually. Didn't trade, didn't want to say anything. KB, you were definitely in sales, right? I was smoking like 3 grams a day. Had to stop. Insane. Chat, look at this 30 minute right now after closing above. This is going to fucking rip. Well managed, mate. Well done. Hey, thank you, Simon. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, I had to manage there, to be honest. Yeah, it was a very well targeted second entry as well. If we just had the second entry, that would have been absolutely stupendous. Feel like me? Yeah. Built different, Calm. Built different, my friend. Chat, do you guys want to see my new apartment? Do you want to see a sneak peek? I don't want to show you guys a sneak peek. I'm going to wait for the actual whole thing to show you for the vlog. Sneak peek, give us now. Nah, KB, I appreciate that, man. Where can I show you this? Home invasion team lock in. Yeah, I'm about to have Gandhi figuring out exactly where I am. Where is it? I sent it to Kata. Let me find it. Balls now? Balls now is crazy. That's a crazy call out. Always very much love to you. You too, Mr. KB. I appreciated all your videos and like the love for TRLS in the videos that you showed. Alright, so they were sick. Wait, it's gonna be horizontal. Can I rotate this? I don't want to show you this way. Oh. Can't. You're gonna get baited out if you're not careful, so just don't say anything crazy. How do I rotate this? I don't think I can show you guys properly. Oh yeah, I can. It's upside down now? Yeah, I don't want it to be upside down. Alright, what do you guys want to see? I'll show you guys the office. Alright, this is going to be the stream setup in here. Chat, this is going to be the nice little stream setup. And this is probably going to be my office, which leads out onto the first balcony, which is here. Again, you have a great... Oh, chat. Look at the view. And then... Chat, we have... main area. And we're going to come straight through here onto the second balcony / the main balcony. Look at this view. That's the city right there. That's the sea. This is all going to be finished, so don't stress about this. Oh. We love it. Big old terrace. Yeah, man. Doxed? Not doxed. Yeah, I'm super excited to move out there, though. Content's going to go crazy. Looks like a parkour building. How does that mean? That's proper, man. Sick. I appreciate it, Jake. It's 20 pips in Euro USD, like 200 points in gold. Yeah, I think 20 pips is like 200 pips. How much per month? Should I say how much per month? Baby girl is crazy. Yeah. My girl's coming with me. It looks sick, mate. Yeah, I'll show you guys the whole tour in the vlog. It should be out on Friday, potentially. Got the TRLS house party. Yeah, trust me. TRLS goes abroad. Where is it? It's in Cyprus. I'm going to scratch your balcony glass. Crazy. Curious if you're paying more or less than in the UK. A little bit more, but not much. It's 2,000 euro. Actually, yeah, it's 2,000 euros a month. 2,000 euros per month. So it's not bad. Like, it's expensive. Not expensive, but for what it is, it's super cheap, I think. I think that's actually ridiculously cheap for what it is. TRLS gets jail for breaking the Matrix. New Tate TRLS, crazy. Potentially. I'll be honest, I was thinking 3. Yeah, I think, to be honest, no pool on site. No pool, nah, but it's like a 5-minute drive from the beach, to be honest. It's like double my total living expenses each month, lol. Crazy. Did you have to pay 6 months up front because of the rent because of being a trader? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I did. It's tough, bro. It's tough. But yeah, I did. SG and Kat on a podcast would be funny as fuck. Kat is unhinged and SG trying to hold it together. Yeah, it's actually true. I'm gonna be like, bro. But yeah. Kat, also, in Thailand always takes... Oh, you're in Thailand. That's crazy, bro. That's sick. But yeah, 6 months up front is so tough. 6 months up front plus a deposit. But, I mean, it's not tough because I would have paid it anyway. It's just an interesting hit. Get Eugene on the podcast. There's no shot I'm having Eugene on the podcast. I can't trust that guy. I did offer him to come on a podcast with me, but he couldn't fucking get himself together. Like I said, come to a recording studio, I'll pay and we'll film it and just have a chat. And he couldn't get his dates together. He asking for $10 donations every 5 minutes, yeah. Put him on a pod but leave his mic off. That'd be insane, bro. That's so funny. Link to the podcast. Yeah, let me find it. Right, funded. Now, this podcast, by the way, the one that came out, if you haven't seen it, make sure you go and watch it because it's fucking sick. Like, it really is good. There he is. 99% of traders fail. But yeah, most other skills don't have this, which makes it something that's like trading is genuinely not like anything else in that regard, in my opinion.
There's a graph, like I don't know the name of the graph, but it's like the valley of despair.
Yeah, go watch it. Mr. 50 to 60%. Bro, chat. So this guy, basically, he's a sound guy, don't get me wrong, really nice guy and definitely a good trader. But he was talking about like how his win rate was high at 50 to 60%, and I was just sat there like, I didn't want to be that dickhead on a podcast that goes, actually mine's at 80, 90%. But I was just thinking like, yeah, it's very different. Different trading styles though. So like, again, he's definitely got way better risk to reward than me. So no hate or anything, or no shade. I just thought it was funny. Like I knew someone was gonna say something like that when you watched it. And then the first thing Matt says was, yeah. You always target 1 to 2, 50 to 60% is crazy good. I know, bro. Yeah, I know. I'm just messing. Like, of course it is. 50 to 60% is really good. Yeah, definitely. Handsome bastard. Hey, Jao, what's good, bro? I appreciate it, man. Did you close your trade? Or are you still in? I've been dying to ask you this for about the last fucking hour and a bit. Surely you closed when it hit. Yeah, I was gonna say when it hit like 76.7. Minus the 45. Can I get into the podcast? Good shit, bro. That's funny. Ja, congrats, my friend. That's insane. Absolutely insane. Audi close was coming up? Yeah, it makes sense. $27.76? Yeah, exactly. That's clean, bro. Congrats. I expected you to do the same. Well, I'm Edgelord. What's good, Hugh? How's it going, bro? Mr. Janus is back. Makes you smile every time. Yeah, because it comes every now and then, right? Like, you're only on stream like every couple of weeks, so gets me every time. Appreciate you all, guys. Thanks. Yeah, good shit, Jal. That's a monster trade. That's an absolute massive trade. Now, we have a 4-hour close here in about 9 minutes, though. I want to see what we do. If you don't close above 27.75, then it's probably going to be game, to be honest. Alright, cool. Yeah, realistically, we might have to wait till New York as well. We need some more structure to be made. You have grabbed a lot of liquidity here, but look at, yeah, the 4 hours. So the 4 hours literally just ripped up, no bottom wick. Weekly time frame, though, look at it. It's ridiculous. Like, you realistically should test all-time high right now. It's just really struggling at this level. We still wouldn't have hit break even if we didn't have that second position, right? If we didn't have that second position here, we wouldn't have hit break even. Well, I've got stuff to do, but we'll be in the Discord. Love you all and peace out. All right, KB, in a bit, man. Moving into consolidation. What if we wait for a breakout then enter? Yeah, that's realistically what we would do, but the 4 hours closing in 8 minutes. It looks as if the volume's dying off a little bit. So most likely, I'd either just play the Geoguesser and close it off, or we'll wait for the 4 hour to close and see what it does. I'm not too bothered either way right now, though, chat. 30-minute flipped as well after closing respecting, though. That's something that is interesting to me. Like, we have essentially respected on the 30. Now you're flipping and looking to close bullish. I realistically expect that to result in a push straight through. So let's see. Let's give it 7 minutes here to the 4 hour close. It feels like I've been streaming for 4 hours right now after that trade. I swear to God, I haven't had a trade like that in a while. In a long, long time, to be honest. Yeah, crazy one. But chat, it shows how much our trading's grown, right? We can read the market extremely well at this point. Extremely, extremely well. In fact, chat, you know what? I don't think I'm going to take anything on this 4 hour, if I'm honest. I think stops are a little bit too large, and I also think that we do have a lot of liquidity to be grabbed, a lot of structure to be made. Most likely, I'm going to have to wait till New York. Do we have news today? Yeah, we have unemployment claims at 130. Okay, interesting. Alright, chat, look, I'm going to play the Geoguesser right now and just call it a session, to be honest. I'm going to wait till New York for any other trades that I'm going to get. All right, so join up. Here's the link right now. If it loads. Oh, chat, I can't wait to have fucking super fast Wi-Fi as well. All right, join up, chat. Whoa. All right, I'll start the game in about 10 seconds, 20 seconds. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, cool. Start up. What do we have here, chat? Live stream London, but not NY. I used to do both, but right now I stream New York in my Discord, in the private Discord. So if you want to join that, you can go to this link here. Otherwise, yeah, it's just London. I don't know where I am, chat. I wasn't even fucking concentrating. Am I like this or this? I don't know. I don't know where we are, chat. Okay, not far away. Where's that? Togo? Oh no, Ghana. Who got that close? JJ, that's insane. Yeah, nice. Nice. Sticks in the middle of nowhere. It's always good. Yeah, how the hell am I meant to know where this is? I have a weird guess here. Tom, in a bit, bro. Peace out. Oh! Fucking knew it. I actually knew that as well. I saw the glaciers on the mountains, and then the roads were like a little bit techie. Chat. Fucking get smoked. That's a brazy guess. Don't even chat to me. No one talk to me. You're not allowed anymore. After that guess, you have to graduate. That's got to be the best Geoguesser guess in the world. I'm joking, I'm joking. House. Tractor. Doesn't really tell me too much. I think we're looking somewhere up here though. Not up here, but somewhere here. I don't know if it's there. So, oh, fuck. Anyone get close? No. JJ's holding the lead right now. I'm hot on his tails though. About 1.3 thousand points away. Oh, that. Could be anywhere. What do you say? What do you say? Oh, it doesn't say anything. Oh. I think it's either this one or Greece. Croatia. All right, not bad. Oh, JJ's just edging away. Pause. Pause right there. Need a good guess here, chat. Oh my fucking days. I actually think I know what this is though. How's that big ass fucking... I don't know, chat. I don't know. Oh, I knew it was there, but I didn't know where. That's tough. Oh, look how close we got as well. All right, look, chat. Congratulations. A stellar effort from JJ right there. I'll take a second. Mr. Windy Town. All right, cool. We are secured the Europa League again, as always. Decent stuff. Chat, look, congratulations as well for that trade earlier. Absolutely clean management. Have a great rest of your day, chat. I will be streaming in the New York session in the Discord. Otherwise, if you are trading, trade responsibly, be careful, all that good stuff. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out. Much love, and bye-bye. Peace.